Hello everyone, this is Pujan Patel and this is the video submission of project to Batcher-Banyan network. And in this video I will be explaining the concept of Batcher-Banyan network and along with some examples. So this is a typical 8x8 delta network, and um, first of all we have to understand what a Batcher-Banyan network is. So Batcher-Banyan is basically a combination of two parts: Batcher sorter, which is this one, and the Banyan network, which is the this complete part, the other part. So this one is called the Batcher sorter, and this one is called the Banyan network. And now we have to look at this little boxes and what do they do in order to give the final output. So these little boxes have a very simple task. Whenever they give, they are given any binary value as an input, let's say 0 or 1. So this any binary value as an input is 0 or 1. This boxes will just move forward to the next box depending on the bit that is that is inserted in this box. So let's say if the bit is 0, then it will take the upper root, and if the bit is 1, then it will take the lower root. Like, let's look at this box. So let's look at this box B. So if the input bit is 0, then it will take the upper root, and if the input bit is 1, then it will take the lower root. As simple as that. So now let's look at some examples of Batcher-Banyan network. Let's take 3 as an example. So we have to convert 3 into its 3-bit binary representation. So the binary representation of 3 is 0, 1, and 1. So we will initiate um, the program from this end, because 3 is here, and as soon as it gets in this box, what is the first bit that is inserted as an input to this box? So the first bit is 0, so it will take the upper part and move forward to the next box. So in the next box, the second bit is 1, so it will take the lower root and go to the next box. And for the last bit, it is 1, so it will just terminate the program here at this point. It will take the lower root again. So this is a typical representation of 3. Uh, this is a small example of decimal number 3 in the Batcher-Banyan network. So now let's take another example. Let's take 5 as an example this time. So we can represent 5 in binary representation as 1 0 1, where 1 is the initial input. So it will go in this box, and the first bit is 1, so it will take the lower root, and the second bit, the first bit is 1 and the second bit is 0, so it will take the upper root again, this way. And finally the last bit is 1, so for terminating the program it will take the lower root, and we got 5 here. So this is how the Batcher-Banyan network works, and I have provided 2 examples for this, and that's it.